Hi, for today's tutorial video, I'm going to discuss lesson number 4 under chapter 14 of my pulse book primary 5. This is all about finding the unknown angles. So let's start. So on page 129, you will find this page. Okay, I'm going to discuss all the figures that contained in this lesson and actually there are already answers, but I have to discuss it to you how we come up with that working. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, and then I'll give you some technique on how to answer this. Okay, number one. So when you are um, solving any problem like this, so you have to really understand the meaning of each sentence. So let us try number one. Triangles ABC and CED are isosceles triangles. So we all know that isosceles triangle has two sides that are equal in length. Okay, the lengths are equal. Okay, now then you have to locate or identify where are the triangles that has two sides that are equal. Okay, so we have angle ABC and also angle CED. So we have this bigger triangle and the smaller triangle. So based on our concept, again, isosceles triangle has two sides are equal. Our two sides are equal. So therefore, when two sides are equal, the opposite angles are equal too. So that means if this is the isosceles triangle, this angle here and the angle here will be the same. Now, there is another sentence here after the one that we have read. We have AD and BE are straight lines. So you have to identify again what are these straight lines. So AD, AD, this is a straight line. And then line BE. Where is the line BE? BE. Now, these two straight lines produce or created vertically opposite angles. Can you see that? Okay, so that means in our concept, it says that vertically opposite angles are equal. So the angle here, the measure of the angle here will be the same as the measure of the angle on the other side of the angle. Okay, now there is another given here. Angle BAC is equals to 120 degrees. So if you have 120 degrees here, you can easily find the two angles here. Okay, now find angle CDE. So let us identify first the angle DCE. Where is that one? DCE. So this one, the angles that we need to find out first. Why? If we find if we found the angle here, we can also find the angle here because vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now, how to find the angle in this angle? Okay. So what are you going to do? Our reference will be this triangle. So 120 is the given one. There are two angles that are not given, unknown angles. So how to find it? The triangle has 180 degrees for the three angles inside of it, right? So when we take the sum of the three angles, it it will make 180 degrees. So if we have 120 degrees in one angle, and this triangle is an isosceles triangle, so therefore we subtract 120 from 180 degrees, then the answer divided by 2, so we will get the angle here and the other angle here are equal. Okay, so 30 and 30. So we already mentioned before that the angle here will be the same angle like here, right? Now, 30 and 30. So, since this one is a isosceles triangle, now angle CDE is equals to 180 divided by minus 30 divided by 2, and we got 75 each of these angles. So 75 and 75, 150, let us check, plus 30, that will give you 180 degrees. So the answer here for this question is 75 degrees. Okay, next. So next page, page 429. Okay, this is the page number 2. Okay, we already have the answer here, but I would like to I would like to discuss to you the figure. Okay, now it doesn't matter if there are answers here. I would like to impart to you to understand the concept and remember all the details and also how to solve this such kind of problem. Okay, so because there will be a variety of questions or problem, what matters most, you know the concept, you master the concept. In triangle FGH, angle FGH is equals to 81 degrees. So where is FGH? So this one is 81 degrees. Now, angle HFT is equals to 62 degrees. So these two angles are given. What is the unknown angle? Okay, GJ is a straight line. So remember, straight line has 180 degrees. Okay, remember that. Now, find angle FHJ. So where is FHJ? You have to locate it. FHJ. So that means this angle that we need to find out. And to find this angle, you have to find first the other angle here. Why? Because we have two given angles that will help us or will lead us to the answer in this angle. So how to find it? So FHG is equals to 180, the total of the three angles of the triangle. So 180 minus 81 minus 62, the answer will become 37 degrees. So in this case, this angle will be 37 degrees. Now, if one angle here on a straight line has already 37 degrees, what would be the angle on the other side of the straight line that forms an angle? So what are we going to do? 180 minus 37, the answer will become 143 degrees. So remember to write degrees for the angles. So we got the answer here, 143 degrees. Okay. Next number, number 1B. Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Then PS and QT are straight lines, and angle PST is equals to 87 degrees. Find angle QTF. So in this case, we have